back to class, students. Hope everyone are fine, doing well. Once again, I want to remind you about SMS. What is SMS? S stands for social distancing, M is for mask, and S is for soap. So what we are going to do? We are going to maintain a physical distance, and we are going to wear a mask. Wearing mask is very compulsory, and use soap to clean our hands. Okay? I hope everyone are following SMS. So please drink hot water, eat healthy food, fruits, vegetables, and don't please trouble your parents. So today we are here for our academy. So we'll start with our chapter number 3. So in the previous session we have done with our chapter number 2, large numbers. I hope everyone are all the doubts are clear. What are the concepts we have learned in our chapter number 2? What are large numbers we have done, right? So till Roman number is our last concept. So now our chapter number is 3, operations with large numbers. So before moving ahead, I request everyone to open their term book, classwork and pencil. Be ready and open page number 130. Okay. So what is operation with large numbers? Here operation is not your operation. Operations in the sense we have some arithmetic operations, right? What are those? Plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? These are the 4 arithmetic operations which we use, which we perform. Now these 4 operations we are going to perform on large numbers. Our chapter 2 is large numbers, right? Now we are going to perform these operations on the large numbers. So in this chapter, see here they give learning objective. We have addition and subtraction with large numbers, real life examples of addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, how we are going to do on large numbers, and real life applications of subtraction, that is multiplication and division. Okay, so the first concept is of addition, that is your plus. Addition. What is addition? Addition is nothing but your sum, right? When you give 2 numbers, if they tell you find out what is the sum, you are going to add up, right? Like suppose 5 and 8. What is the sum of 5 and 8? 5 plus 8, that is 13. 13 is the sum, that is what your result. Now what is that 5 and 8 is called? Those 2 numbers we call it as addends, right? That is 5 and 8, you call it as addends, and the result 13 you call it as sum. This is your sum and these 2 are your addends. Let us have a look in page number 131. Addition of large numbers. The method of addition remains the same whether the number to be added are small or large. So whenever if you are adding small numbers or large numbers, how we are going to add, the method is the same. What is the method? Firstly we should write place values on the top, then according to the number we will arrange the numbers, and then we are going to do addition, right? Let us recall the steps involved in addition. These steps are only mentioned. Let us have a look. Step 1. Write the number in the place value chart, one below the other. Make sure the digits at the same place are in the same column. So firstly you are going to write place value chart, that is your ones, tens, 100, so on. You will write it, then you are going to write the number, that is digit, and it should be in correct column. Now suppose here is 5, 4, 3. So you are not going to miss any digit. If you write place values on the top, you should place your digit, you can place it in a correct column. So when you add up, there will be no confusion, right? So step 2. Addition is done column wise. Addition is done in the column wise, from right to left. So always start adding from the lowest, that is from one's place to the, and move to the higher place, adding 1 column at a time. So adding, now if it is here 4, so what we will do, first we will add an addition of the first column. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. Then you will move to the next column, that is from the lowest to the highest you are going to add up. Regroup, carry over whenever the sum in the column exceeds 9. Suppose here 7. So what you are going to do? 7 plus 4 is 11. So what you will do? You will add up, you will carry 1 on the next number, and you will write the next is 1 is here 11. So if the number is exceeding more than 9, then you will write 1 will be carried over to the next number, next place, and the next number you will write down. Remaining number you will write down, right? This is what our addition. So even if it is for small numbers or for the large numbers, the method is the same. Firstly we will write the place values, then we will write the digits, and then we are going to do addition. Yes? Okay, see here they have given you 2 examples, and firstly they have given you numbers and their place values, and then they have shown you how is to do the sum, right? Next, properties of addition. I hope how to do addition is very clear. Now let us move to the properties of addition, page number 132. We can add numbers in any order. If we change the order of addends, the sum does not change. So what they are saying, we can add the number in any order. Even I can write 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is also 13. Even if we change the order, the sum do not change. Or 3 plus 4 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is also 7. If you change the order, where 3 here 4, 4, 3, if you change the order also, but the result is the same. The sum do not change. So here they have given a small example for you. You can have a look. Next, we often use grouping while adding more than two numbers. There is no change in the sum if the group is changed. In the last grade, we have already seen like this, 74. I am giving a small number here. 1, not 2. So what you are going to do, here it is group of, first you will add the groups. See the number which are in the group, first you will add up. The result what you get, that you are going to add with 74. Then you will get the result answer, right? This is what they are saying. So we often use grouping. This is grouped. We have grouped the two numbers. While adding more than two numbers, there are three numbers here. 1, 2, 3. Right? Next, there is no change in the sum if there is a change. So if I change the order, instead here I have written 74 plus 36, then 102. Still the answer is the same. If you change the group also, the result will be the same. Right? Let us move to the next third property. If we add 0 to a number, the sum will be the number itself. So if you add 0 to any number, the number will be the same. Right? 97 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 97. See what they are saying? When you add 0 to any number, the result will be the same. The number you will get, the sum is the same. 97 plus 0 is 0. 100 plus 0 is 0. 1000 plus 0 is 0. 999 plus 0 is 999. Right? You will get the same number. If you add 900 plus 0, 900, you will get the same number, right? If you add 0, the answer will not change. You will get the same sum. Whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number, the number itself. So same way, if you add 1, then it is increased by 1. If you add 10, then the digit at 10's place will be changed. It will be increased by 1. So on. So this is what are properties of addition. That is, if you change the group, if you change the order, the sum is the same. If you change the group, the sum is the same. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Right? Now, I hope it is very clear how we are going to do addition. What are the properties? Let's move to exercise 3.1. So in exercise 3.1, see students, whenever we start our chapter, first we will always write mind mapping, right? So in the next session, I will give you mind mapping and how to write. So please leave a page to write down your mind mapping, and then you start your exercise 3.1 first bit. See, first bit we can do in our term book. So I request everyone to open page number 132. 132. See, first one. Add the following numbers and mark the period in the sum. So they have given the number and they have given addition symbol. We should add up and we should write the sum. We should write the answer. Let us do it. Everyone please open your textbook, page number 132. 132. Page 132. Exercises 3.1. First bit. First one. So 1104. See, they have not given any periods. Commas are not mentioned, right? Once we get the answer, then we will write we'll put the exact correct markings, correct periods. 378. Now first let us add this. 8 plus 2, 10. So what we will do? 1 will be carry, 0 will be down. Next, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 1, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, right? So it is 12. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 will be carry, 0 will be down. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Now what we know in Indian system, after first 3 digits we will put comma, then after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3, after 3 digits we will put a comma, then after every 2 digits. So what it is? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10. So 88 lakh 40,260. Next, let us do the B one. 5197 722. Next, 7012 393. 393. This 2 we will add. Yes. Now 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 2. 9, 10, 11. So it is 11. 1 will be carry, 1 will be down. Next. 7 plus 3. 10. 10 plus 1. 11. 7 plus 2. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry, 1 will write down. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Whenever you add 0 to any number, we will get the same number, right? 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. See, there is no any other number here, any digit. So, we will write 12 directly. Otherwise, if there is there means, we will write 1 on the as a carry and then we will write down 2 as down. Now if you put comma after first 3 digit, then after 2 digit, 2 digit. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So 1 crore, 22 lakh, 10,175. So I hope it is very clear how you have done the same way, same model. You please try C, D, E, F. You please complete that bit. Now the second bit, this second bit we will do in classwork. So I hope you have left the page for mind mapping and you have started exercise 3.1. Please write down second bit, the heading of your second bit in your classwork. Arrange the following addends in columns and find the sum. Now they have given 3 numbers, we should find the sum. Please write the complete heading. Yes. See the first one from second bit. Exercise is 3.1. Please write second bit complete heading. And first question, that is 23,561 plus 1,468 plus 8,16,686. Okay. See, they did not give any groupings, anything is there, it is not mentioned, right? Simply they have given 3 numbers and you should add. So what we will do, let us add first 2, then we will add the next one. So once we will write the place values, first we should write place values. So this is lakh, this is 1,000 and this is 10,000. So highest place is lakhs place. So we will write till lakhs, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Now please leave one line and then you write why we are leaving, because when if there is any carry, we can easily write here and there will be no confusion on which digit the carry should go. Okay. Now let us start with the highest, 8. So 8,60,686. Anyway you can write. Next is 23,561. Next is 1,468. 14, 1 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, 8 in ones place. Now we will add. So we have put the operation symbol of plus. Now let us start. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1, 5. Next, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 1 will be carried here. 7 down. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 2. See, there is no number here, right? So we will consider as 0 only. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And here there is no number, it is 8. That is 8,85,715 is the answer. So what we have done, firstly we have written place values on the top, then the given number, and then we have done the addition. So the same model you can try with B and C, right? So I hope it is very clear how to do the addition from first and second bit. See first what homework you have here. From first bit you should complete it. You have done 2, the rest 4 you are going to do, and second bit you just please try only B and C. Okay. This is what your today's homework in this session. I hope it is very clear what is our chapter, how to do addition, what are the properties of addition, and how we are going to add up the values. So please don't forget that whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Okay. So soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, please take care and have a good day. Thank you.